Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Shika, you guys, and today I'm gonna be telling you guys about my fitness journey. I am doing the 75 hard challenge. For you guys who don't know, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that. But yeah, I'm doing the 75 hard challenge, you guys. I'm gonna be telling you guys about my first 30 days of the challenge. I'm thinking about breaking it down to 3 videos: the first 30 days, these 60 days, and then 75 days. So I'm gonna kind of get you right now on my first 30 days, how it's been, if I lost any weight, what I've been eating, things like that. And I kind of broke it down into like categories of like what I feel like is important for you if you're wanting to tackle this challenge, what's important for you guys to kind of take into consideration, and also just some steps and some tips that I've learned along the way and things I'm gonna be doing different for my next 30 days. All right, so first off, I'm just gonna give you guys kind of a rundown on just how I'm feeling so far. So again, today is day 30 of the challenge. You guys, I'm feeling so, let's pause. For you, anybody who does not know what the 75 hard challenge is, I'll pop up the like the rules of the challenge here, you guys, and I'll kind of pop it here so you can let it see, so you guys can see like the rules and like what it consists of. If I haven't already showed you guys, I'll pop it up here. So pretty much a rundown of the challenge is working out twice. It's like 75 day challenge. You work out twice a day. One workout indoors, one workout outdoors for 45 minutes each. And then you no alcohol, any diet of your choice. So whatever diet of your choice that you want to choose. And then you need to read at least 10 pages of a book a day, any kind of book you want. That's pretty much it. So my initial approach to the challenge was I didn't want to do like a fad diet, because I'm really known for doing those. I'm a seer dieter, you guys. I'll try any diet at least once. So my goal with this challenge was not to do like a diet, like a strict fad diet, because I knew I was not going to be consistent with it, and I wanted really to make it a lifestyle change. So for me, I just decided I'm going to cut back, minimize my carbs, minimize my sweets, no alcohol, only water, no soda, no tea. Just all I'm drinking is pretty much water, you guys. Besides, every now and then I may have like one of those like no calorie sodas, but just pretty much all water, right? Because I want to make it a lifestyle change. In my first 14 days of the challenge, you guys, I lost 6 pounds in the first 14 days just by making those slight adjustments. My first workout of the day, I normally would do my first workout outdoors, and my second workout will be indoors. For me personally, I need something that's going to be able to fit around my lifestyle, because I am a mom of 3 and I have a son who has autism, so I need something that's going to be beneficial for me in terms of time, that was going to be like beneficial for me in terms of being able to really make it a lifestyle change, something that I was going to be able to do on the fly. So what I started doing, I found something that I really enjoy, which I found this channel on YouTube called Growwithjo, and I pop up her handle here if you guys want to follow her page. I love her content. So upbeat, so motivating. I mean, I just love everything about what she's doing, the community she's building. I just love everything about Growwithjo. So I decided I was going to use that as my second workout of the day, because I could do that at night when I get the kids down from bed. So I've been doing a variation between different videos for her of her like workouts for my second workout. My first workout is always gonna be something outside, like a walk. Typically I walk between 2 to 3 miles a day outside, and I do one of her challenges for my second workout indoors. Again, for the first 14 days, I lost 6 pounds, you guys. I was so excited, you guys. Like, you don't understand. Like, I was like, I have not lost that much weight naturally in years. Like, I'm just being completely transparent. So first 14 days, I lost 6 pounds. Come day 30, I'm now down 11 pounds. And again, I've just been doing the same thing. One workout a day, 45 minutes outside, and then the one Growwithjo workout a day. Again, cutting back, not doing a really strict diet, just cutting back, not eating out, substituting where I can for more healthier options, just making a lifestyle change for me. And so far, I'm feeling so much better, you guys. My stomach is not hurting. I've always suffered from like stomach pains because of things I eat. Haven't had any stomach pains. I haven't missed the alcohol at all, which I'm really surprised. I thought I was gonna miss the alcohol and I've been able to drink, but I don't miss it at all, honestly. I'm 30 days sober today, which I am so excited about. 30 days sober, I'm just stoked about that. So that's kind of run out of my first 30 days. Now I'll kind of pop up like some clips, and like I kind of try to keep a track of on my Apple Watch and it's my fitness app, just so I can I'll show you guys some of those clips as well. Here you guys, and these are like the clips from each day that I was working out. The hardest thing I think for me, and I think I forgot to mention this in the beginning, is just drinking a 1 gallon of water a day. That was the toughest thing for me to do. Outside of getting over that, the workouts twice a day, and then the sticking to like a semi like keto diet really worked for me. So I'm really excited for this next 30 days, and I'm just really excited about it. All right, you guys. So here are the 6 things, the 6 steps, or 6 things I feel like are important for you to try to implement if you're going to be doing the 75-part challenge. The first thing I would say is get an accountability partner, whether that be your husband, your spouse, your wife, whatever you have going on at home in terms of your direct, maybe you have a friend group or a friend chat. Get an accountability partner. For me personally, I didn't have anybody that personally in my life that wanted to do the challenge with me. Like my sisters, they were not really doing. They were doing their own thing. My husband, he was not really interested in doing the challenge with me, so I ended up just posting it on my social media page on Instagram and saying, "Hey, you guys, is anybody you want to do this challenge with me? I'm doing this. Is what I'm doing. This is the day I'm starting." And a couple people reached out to me like, "Oh yeah, I love to do do the challenge with you or whatever." But nobody ended up following through with it, which is okay because everybody has their own payoff, their own journey. But what did help me is I used my platform as an accountability partner. So not anyone in particular, but I just used my Instagram story feed as my accountability partner. So I had people encouraging me via DMs and chats and replying to my posts and text messages and, "Hey, keep going. You're motivating me." So I use that as my accountability partner. So whatever works for you, I say follow that method. And I didn't have anybody personally that, like a family member or a friend that I did the challenge with. I just used my social media as my motivation, as my accountability partner for me being able to post every day, keeping them updated, motivated me to continue to keep posting and kind of updating and letting everybody know what was going on. So getting that like virtual support was really awesome. So I say get an accountability partner is the first thing. Second thing is prepping your food. And that's something that I did not do the first 30 days that I am going to be implementing on the next 30 days. I should have done more in terms of excuse me, of having like pre-prep food. Like I had like my veggies and my fruits that I would clean and cut and put in the freezer. I didn't have any like meals pre-planned and preset, and that for me was my biggest struggle. It made me have more cravings than I probably should have because I just was craving something quick and easy. And the first thought was, okay, I should go and get some fast food. Of course, I didn't do it. I didn't give in, but it was really tough because I didn't have those meals pre-planned. Didn't know what I was gonna eat that day. So I think if you are gonna do this challenge, I would say put a lot of emphasis on food prep and prepping your food and actually kind of getting an idea of what you're gonna eat for the whole week. Now maybe not for the whole challenge, but maybe a week at a time. So it'll help you be able to kind of not have those cravings. You can just kind of go in the fridge, grab what you're gonna eat for lunch, grab what you eat for dinner, grab what you're gonna eat for breakfast, and then just have it quick and available and handy and more convenient. Because I think when they take the convenience side of it, that's when you want to cheat, So I say and put a lot into like your food prep. So I'm gonna be focusing on a lot more of that. This next third thing I would say is create a routine, you guys. I would say creating a routine was the most vital thing for me. Just knowing every day I was going to do the exact same thing each day. When anytime I threw my routine off, I struggled to do my workouts that day. So for example, every day for the first maybe like 3 weeks, I would go right into drop the kids off at school, get everybody off school, take what I want to cook out that morning before I leave. As soon as I get back home from dropping the kids off, I wouldn't even come in the house, you guys. I would go right into cutting my watch on and heading for my walk. That was my first thing I did. Come back in, take my shower, log in to work, get my work day started. Once I get out of work, I go right in, get the kids settled down for the night, get them fed and bathed. I would go right into my second workout. That worked for me so good the first 3 weeks. Now that last week or last maybe 8 to 9 days of the first 30 days, I struggled so much because my routine was off. I wasn't working out at the same time like I was the first 3 weeks, so I struggled. Literally, I would have to make myself get up to work out that last week because I just was not on my routine. So I was like, get a routine. Follow that routine to the T. Getting a routine and staying in a routine is what's going to help you be successful and also make you just more accountable for, okay, I know I got to do this and this. That last week, you guys, I struggled so much this last week because I just was not on my regular schedule, my routine. So get a routine. I would say try to do it the same time every day. Stick to it. Because that first 3 weeks, I breezed through because I stuck to my routine. So get a routine. That's what I would say for the third thing. The fourth thing I would say is Do not get caught up in what the scale says. I've only weighed myself twice since I started. Once in the beginning. Actually, I weighed myself 3 times. Once in the beginning, when I first weighed in. My first weigh in, I'll tell you guys, I don't really care because, you know, I'm being transparent. My first weigh in, I weighed 189. And I was like, oh my God. I have not been this big in forever. So I was like, oh my, I was shocked. So I weighed 189 my first weigh in. I was like, okay, I have to do this for me and for my health and for me to be here for my kids. I have to get my weight under control. So 189 is my first weigh in, you guys. My first weighed in when I first started the challenge. I weighed myself 2 weeks in. I had dropped 6 pounds. I was like, okay, good. I'm doing the thing. I weighed myself the third week. The only reason I weighed myself that third week is because I was like, oh, my pants are fitting kind of, you know, they're not really fitting anymore. So I was like, I may have lost a little bit of weight. So I weighed myself again that third week, and I was like, oh my God, I lost another, 5 pounds. I'm down 11 pounds, you guys, total within the first 30 days. Since then, I have not weighed myself. And I would say some people like to weigh themselves every single day. I personally do not agree. Do not think that's good for your mental health. Just don't think it's a good idea because you don't want to get caught up in what the scale. Don't get caught up into excuse me, guys. Don't get caught up in what the scale says. I'm more focused on what the inches look like how I'm looking at my clothes, how my clothes are fitting. You guys, after I weighed myself that third time, I was like, I'm not weighing myself again. I'm not gonna get caught up and get in my head about, oh my God, the scale says this, but I felt so much, but I could tell just based on how my clothes are fitting, my confidence, how I moved, how I walked, how I was able to play with my kids. I could tell by all of that, oh my God, it's really working. I'm really putting in the work, and I'm really seeing the difference. I went to a birthday dinner right after my 30 day, right before, I think I went to the birthday dinner like my 28th to 29th day of the challenge, you guys. And when I put my dress on, my skirt and my shirt on, you guys, I instantly knew, like, oh my God, you have really lost this weight. You have really lost some inches, because I could tell I felt different in the clothes. So I was like, oh my God, my confidence is like, it's coming back. And I felt so much better. So I'm not getting caught up in the scale. Do not weigh yourself at the beginning and maybe midway, but do not get caught up in weighing yourself every single day. I do not recommend weighing yourself every single day. Do not get caught up with the scale says, what do you look like in your clothes? Or is your waist getting smaller? Are your arms getting smaller? Is your back unbigging? Like, focus on that, how you're looking versus what the scale says, because you're gonna drive yourself crazy. And I don't want that for you, and I know you don't want that for me. So do not get caught up in what the scale says. I say that's my fourth recommendation. I would just say, have fun with you guys. Like I said, I chose the Growwithjo videos for my second workout because I just love her channel. I love the energy in her videos. It's fun. She makes it fun. I feel like I'm right in the studio with her when I'm working out. I'm doing workouts all kind of crazy. I'm climbing a tree. Like, I'm just having fun. I'm probably looking super crazy. Probably even doing a workout right, but I'm just having fun. I'm burning calories. I'm sweating. I'm just having fun. So I would say find a routine or a workout plan that you can have fun with and make it your own. That was really important for me, because if I was to come in every day and dread what I was doing, it wouldn't last. It wouldn't be consistent. So I also have fun with it. And also, maybe like a bonus tip is maybe plan something for after your challenge is over, like to reward yourself for completing the challenge. For me personally, I'm going to take myself on a solo trip this year, so that's gonna be my kind of treat to myself. I'm gonna get me the smallest bikini I could possibly find, and just have a ball out on a solo trip. Just me, and I'm gonna reconnecting with who I am and who I love, and just getting back to me. So I would say maybe even if it's not something that major, maybe plan like a spa day for yourself, or maybe take yourself out for a drink or something. Just plan something for you special out there, challenges to complete. That'll give you the motivation to get it every day, to get it done, and focus on and just hone in on why you're doing the challenge to begin with. All right, you guys, and those are pretty much my tips, my 6 things I feel like are important for you if you're going to tackle this challenge. Again, I'll be doing a part 2 and 3 to this series, just kind of giving you an update on my next 30 days and my 60-day weigh-in and 60-day check-in, and also the 75-day check-in, so you guys can kind of see how it progressed over the next 2 portions of the actual challenge itself. But let me know if you're interested in seeing that. Make sure you get in the comments below and let me know what you guys think about it so far. I'm gonna post up some pictures so you guys can see like how I'm looking, transforming. I'm super excited, you guys. I'm feeling better. My head feels clear. My spirit feels better. Like, I'm in the best mental place I've been in a long time. And I definitely recommend this challenge. Or any fitness routine that you feel like you need to get up and get moving, I say just get up and get moving. Get it done. You guys, I love you so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you got to this point, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to our next milestone, which is 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I love you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.